The 12 worst American cars of the 1950s that shocked buyers. The 1950s are often remembered as America's golden age of automobiles. It was a time when chrome gleamed under the sun, tailfins touched the sky, and every new model promised a brighter future. Car companies competed fiercely, building vehicles that looked like they had arrived from the future. But behind the dazzling advertisements and showroom lights, not every car was a success. Some were packed with unnecessary gimmicks. Others were too expensive, too complicated, or simply failed to deliver what buyers expected. A few became legendary disasters that cost manufacturers millions of dollars and damaged entire brands. Today, we're counting down 12 of the biggest automotive disappointments of the 1950s. These weren't just bad cars. They were expensive lessons that changed the American auto industry forever. And trust me, the car at number 1 became such a spectacular failure that its name is still used today as a symbol of business disaster. Let's begin. Number 12, 1950 Ford Crestliner. When Ford introduced the Crestliner, executives believed they had found the perfect formula for attracting buyers. The car featured one eye-catching innovation, a fashionable vinyl-covered roof designed to make the vehicle look more luxurious and sporty. Unfortunately, the excitement ended there. Underneath the stylish exterior, buyers found the same mechanical components available in ordinary Ford models. The engine, suspension, and overall driving experience offered nothing new. Customers expected something special, but received a standard sedan dressed in fancy clothing. The controversial vinyl roof divided opinions. Some loved the bold appearance, while others considered it a cheap marketing trick. Sales never reached expectations, and Ford quickly realized that appearance alone wasn't enough. The Crestliner disappeared almost as quickly as it arrived, becoming an early example of style winning over substance. Number 11, 1951 Mercury Monterey. Few cars looked more glamorous than the Mercury Monterey. With its sweeping body lines, sparkling chrome accents, and elegant proportions, it looked like something a Hollywood star would drive down Sunset Boulevard. But the moment drivers got behind the wheel, reality began to set in. The heavy body made the car feel sluggish, and the steering required significant effort, especially at low speeds. Although Mercury positioned the Monterey as a premium vehicle, many buyers discovered that less expensive competitors offered nearly the same comfort and practicality. The Monterey wasn't a terrible car. Its biggest problem was that it promised more than it delivered. It looked like a luxury performance machine, but drove like an ordinary family sedan. And in the fiercely competitive market of the 1950s, that wasn't enough to create a lasting legacy. Continue the same storytelling style for the remaining cars, increasing suspense as the countdown progresses. Before we reveal the number 1 car, comment below. Which of these automotive disasters would you actually drive today? Now, let's uncover the biggest failure of them all. Number 1, 1958. Edsel Ranger. Ford believed the Edsel Ranger would revolutionize the automotive industry. Instead, it became one of the most famous business failures in history. The company spent enormous amounts of money building anticipation. Advertisements promised a revolutionary driving experience unlike anything America had ever seen. Then, customers finally saw the car. Its unusual grille design immediately became the subject of jokes across the country. But appearance was only the beginning. The Ranger suffered from quality control problems, unreliable technology, confusing controls, and inconsistent assembly standards. Buyers who expected innovation instead found frustration. Sales collapsed. Dealers struggled to move inventory. Within a few years, the entire Edsel brand disappeared. Today, the Edsel Ranger isn't remembered as a groundbreaking automobile. It's remembered as a warning, a reminder that even the biggest companies can fail when they lose touch with what customers actually want. And that's why it remains one of the greatest automotive disasters ever created. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories about classic cars, forgotten legends, and engineering failures that changed the industry forever.